Welcome back for the lower boxes of this ordering system exercise. Boxes 5, 6, 7, and 8. And then box 5, we're going to do equilateral triangles. First thing you're going to do is create horizontal lines a quarter inch tall, quarter inch, quarter inch, quarter inch, all the way up this side of the 3-inch box, and then create horizontal lines. The next thing to do is to take your 30-60 triangle, right? And then we're going to create a line from the top left. And we're going to darken that. Just come down to the edge of the box like so. And then what you're going to do is wherever it crosses this horizontal or any of these horizontals, we're going to flip that triangle over, flip it, and then wherever it crosses the horizontal, we're going to create lines like so. I'm going to come right down the line. To create these equilateral triangles. You'll see what I'm talking about. Then we're going to have to flip the triangle again, right? Oops, let me try not to move here. Remember, always keeping that pencil sharp and spinning it, right? So now I have to flip my triangle the other way to get the other side of that equilateral triangle, right? Let me work this way to the right and go left, and you'll see what I'm talking about here. Wherever they cross, you get this really neat pattern of equilateral triangles. And you're going to fill up, obviously, the whole 3 by 3 inch box. I'm just doing a couple here. Right? You're going to flip the triangle and then do all these lines, 30 and then inverted 60, right? To create these equilateral triangle ordering system in box 5. Now, and then again, I'll have each box blown up in a photo in the completed folder, and then how this all looks at the end, how it should look. Because this sheet is very important for the next couple of exercises. It's very important that we create these lines precisely and consistently with nice line weights. Keep it in mind. Neatness as well. What I like to do also is just put a piece of trash over my top work so that I don't smear it and it gets dirty. So no, I'll take it off later. So box 6 is what you're going to do is you're going to put 6 dots randomly anywhere in the box. So I'll just go ahead and do that now. Let's put one here. Let's put one here. Don't make them too big. All right, let's put one here. You're going to put 6 dots randomly wherever you want. Put one here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's put one here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then one more. What do you say? Right here. Okay. Now what you're going to do, here's my 6 dots. Now what you're going to do is you're going to connect each of the pair, each pair or 2 dots. You're going to connect via a line to go to the edges of the box. All of the dots, right? So it's going to come up with a really interesting pattern. So, for instance, I'm going to connect the dots here, the line going from the edge like that. All right. And then I'm going to do these two. Yeah. Then I'm going to do these two. And then I'm going to do, making sure that I cover all my bases here. These two. Right. I'm going to do, which ones I haven't done, right? I'm going to do these two. Let's do these two. Let's do these two. Let's do those two. Keep finding ones that you haven't connected until you've completed all of them. Those two. Those two. Let's see these two. All right. You always want to check. Did that one and that one, that one, that one and that one. And for this one, there, there, there. Ooh, I got to do that one. All right. There you go. All right, that one's complete. For this one, I gotta go, I went there, there, that one. All right, now this one I can check. Oh, gotta do this one. I think I'm good then. Up, and then this one goes there, there, there. Oops, didn't do this one, all right? So yeah, you have to just check. You want to connect each pair. And then this one, I think we did. Yep, we did that one. That one, that one. Yeah. So there you go. There, it's an interesting pattern. You just want to connect them, each pair, a line through. Making sure that you connect them all. Just look back and make sure a line goes through both sets, every dot. And it comes up with this interesting ordering system, albeit it's a bit chaotic, but it's certainly beautiful. Some cities are based, we call these like nodes, or points of interest, right? And you can sort of maybe imagine these lines as streets. So fun exercise. So that's box 6. Box 7 is going to be, you're going to place a dot anywhere in the square, anywhere. So for instance, I'm going to put mine here, right? You're going to draw, let me sharpen my pencil here. You're going to draw a vertical, horizontal, then you're going to use all angles of both of your triangles, the 30, 60, and the 45, to create this sort of a pattern coming from that center point. So let me do that right now. So I'm going to draw a vertical line. And then I'm going to draw a horizontal line. And then I'm going to, let's use the 45 first. Go right through this dot that you created. Then I'm going to flip it. Go through the dot. Don't go past the edges, or try not to. Now I'm going to use my 30-60. I'm going to go to 30-degree route here first. Go right through that dot. Now I'm going to flip it. Like so. I use those both of those angles, right? Now I'm going to use the inverted 60 degrees here, like so, and then I'm going to flip this side and then create this angle. So you're going to get this sort of shape or star shape or this radiating shape, like so, using each angle of your triangle and flipping it horizontal, vertical. That's square 7, or box 7. Now this last one is going to be, we're going to put a vertical line here and a horizontal line, light. I'm going to do the horizontal line here. And then I'm going to create a 1/2-inch box right in the center, a 1/2-inch box. So I can go to the 1/4-inch scale or the 1-inch scale, right? And then put my 1/4-inch line right on the center, tick mark to the 0 to the left, tick mark where the 1/2 inch is, right? And do that same thing vertically. 1/4 inch up and a 1/4 inch down. That means when I'm done, my box is going to be 1/2 inch by 1/2 inch, right? Or 1/2 inch all around, 1/2 inch square. So let me lightly draw. There's the box. So I'm going to draw it heavy now, or a little thicker, darker. And this is, we're going to radiate a 1/4 inch from this 1/2 inch box. So now I'm just going to use the 1/4 inch scale or measure a 1/4 inch out from all sides, and we're going to create a bigger box, right? Now we're going to repeat that. So I'm not going to draw all the boxes. I'm just going to draw this second one, and I'll darken it in. Then we'll have our 8 ordering systems. I'll complete this sheet, and I'll take a photo of each box so that you see how the box should look like when it's completed. Again, it's very important that we're precise here because we're going to use these for our next couple assignments. Ordering system. So here's my 1/2 inch box from the center. I got the center by doing a diagonal, then a vertical, horizontal, and then offset 1/4 inch, and then there's my 1/2 inch box all the way around. Then we're going to offset another quarter, and then keep on doing that quarter, and of course the square is going to get bigger and bigger. All right, so those are our 8 boxes. I will complete them, and these are ordering systems, and we'll talk about this. We're going to need this for the next set of exercises. Ordering systems.